During this pandemic, a lot of things changed, especially the working environment setup. Nowadays, you spend your whole day inside your house, having meals from your breakfast up to dinner in the comfort of your home. And when most of the household are working from home, cooking can be done during the weekend while reheating can be done quickly in the microwave. But what about the pile of dishes from all those work breaks while you want to take the advantage of spending more time with your family? Hello there, Tech Buddies! Welcome to Tech and Things. This channel is created for product unboxing, product review, and preview of gadgets that we already have in our house or further tech that we want or interested in. Dishwashers are not common here in the Philippines. Most of us tend to wash the dishes manually. During the lockdown period, one of the tasks that may take our time is washing the dishes, considering the quantity of plates that we use from morning up to dinner time is quite significant. Sometimes, we want it to be done for us, especially if most of the family members are already tired working from home. For this content, we will review the Maximus MAX-003 Dishwasher features, performance, and running costs after using this small appliance after a month. I wasn't able to record the unboxing. Instead, I'll just tell you what's included in the box. First, the MAX-003 dishwasher unit itself. Then, the hose assembly for incoming water supply and drain hose similar to that of a washing machine. And the quick connector to tap the hose to your water supply. I was not able to specify which connector that I need for built-in installation. That's why they sent me initially a connector for a faucet installation. Good thing, their after-sales support was very good and they sold me the right connector to connect it to a 1/2 inch water pipe inlet. The package also included some documentation. It includes a very informative manual with most of the details that you need for installation, operation, and maintenance of the dishwasher. There's also a sticker for the energy standard and category where it belongs, and indicates the power rating, water consumption per annum, and how many decibels does it produce while running the appliance. It also included a one-pager guide for the do's and don'ts when using the dishwasher. Here's the technical specifications of the MAX-003 dishwasher. The MAX-003 dishwasher is being sold as a tabletop dishwasher. That's why if you noticed a while ago, the hose assembly for the water supply and drain is connected in a single connector which can be directed to the faucet. For my case, I installed it as a built-in dishwasher, which is directly mounted adjacent with my kitchen cabinets. For the water supply, I changed my water valve to a two-way valve so that it can accommodate the supply for the sink faucet and dishwasher. I used the separately supplied 1/2 inch quick connector. Just to let you know, you can't use those generic quick connector that you can buy in most hardwares. For the dishwasher drain hose, I disconnected the drain hose from the assembly and used a 3/4 to 1/2 hose coupler instead. Then, I connected the hose to the overflow input of the sink's P-trap. Upon delivery of the dishwasher, Maximus included freebies for the required items with the use of the dishwasher. First, the dishwasher detergent. A single box contains 30 pieces of 20 grams dishwasher detergent. True to its description, it's a powerful cleaner, glass-friendly, no odor, and cleans the dishes well. Next is the rinse aid. Rinse aid is being used for making the dishes and utensils shiny, removes spots, and aids the drying of the plates. This 500 ml bottle was included as a freebie. Another thing is the dishwasher salt. 3 kilos of salt was provided by Maximus when you buy the dishwasher. Salt in the dishwasher prevents white film on your dishes. It also works as a water softener to remove lime from the rinsing water. Too much scale in the water will result in a white residue on your glasses. As a bonus, we found free detergent and rinse aid with a different brand inside the dishwasher upon opening. The pack includes 2 finished Powerball detergents and 1 small bottle of rinse aid. Before using the dishwasher, you need to load it first with dishwasher salt. You need to fill the salt bin with 1 kilo of dishwasher salt prior to use. Remove the dishwasher tray first to gain access to the salt bin of the dishwasher. Unscrew the cap and use the supplied funnel to load the dishwasher salt. According to the manual, you should avoid spilling the salt inside the washing area since it may cause corrosion of the unit. You may add a little amount of water for the salt to be compact inside the bin and be able to fill it with 1 kilo of salt. After doing this, you should put the bin cover back and be sure not to over-tighten. For the rinse aid, open the rinse aid compartment located on the dishwasher door. Be sure to fill the bin accordingly and not spill the rinse aid. You may use the funnel as well to avoid spillage, but make sure that it does not have any salt particles. Cover the rinse aid compartment once done. You can locate the detergent compartment beside the rinse aid compartment on the dishwasher door. Just push the latch softly and it will automatically open. Just drop the detergent and close the lid after. For the tray capacity, Maximus MAX-003 Dishwasher is capable of washing 6 place settings, which includes the following. There is a separate basket to put those spoon and fork and other utensils that can fit. Here is how we load our dishwasher. As a simple guide, always place your plates and bowls to the direction facing the dishwasher spray arm. If there's still some space, we even include our dishwasher safe cookware. After loading is done, always make sure to give the spray arm a push so that you will see if it will not hit any protruding utensils, which you must avoid placing as well. And before closing the door, make sure that you already loaded the detergent. There are 7 programs that you can choose for washing your plates. Intensive runs for 2 hours and 20 minutes, while normal program runs for 2 hours. Eco is the longest for 3 hours and 15 minutes, while glass is 1 hour and 15 minutes. We usually use the 90 minutes program. If you enable extra drying, it will add 30 minutes to the cycle. There's also rapid cleaning for 30 minutes, and self-cleaning for 1 hour and 20 minutes. You can also add delay before it will start, so that it will automatically start the cycle after the set hours of delay. Default is 0 and the maximum of 24 hours can be set. There's also a lock function so that your child may not be able to accidentally start your dishwasher. After setting the preferred program, just press the start or pause button. For the maintenance of the dishwasher, you may remove the coarse filter by rotating it counterclockwise. The fine filter will be removed together with the coarse filter. Remove the spray arm by pulling the arm upwards gently. By using a soft brush, clean the coarse and fine filter in both sides. Same with the spray arm, brush the spray arm holes to remove any buildup that may clog the water flow. Once done, just push the spray arm to its mounting hole and test its proper rotation. For the coarse and fine filter, make sure that the fine filter is mounted properly to the base of the washing area. Then, rotate the coarse filter to lock its position. Do not over-tighten. After a month of use, we check our electric bill and compare it to the Meralco calculator, which gave the same 200 to 300 pesos of consumption. Considering the consumables, when using the dishwasher once every day, the running cost will be around 1,200 to 1,300 monthly, including the electricity. When it comes to performance, the dishwasher cleans our dishes very well and can accommodate all of the dishes and utensils used for a whole day, considering we are a family of 4. In summary, the performance of MAX-003 dishwasher is very good. If you have a budget around 1,300 for the monthly consumables and electricity, then no problem, especially if you plan to use it daily. For us, we use the dishwasher during days that we have a lot of dishes to wash, and do manual washing of the dishes if there's only a few items to clean. As they say, convenience has a cost, and it depends on your capability and priority. Stay tuned for new content on our channel for more tech and things. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.